Welcome back to my channel, my darlings, and this is actually my hair page on Instagram where you can get some hairstyle inspirations from the clients I did over time. And this is my separate main Instagram account as well. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, for my channel is all about hair tips, hairstyles, fashion, and all what will make you look fabulous and stylish. And don't forget to turn on that notification button, for I'm going to show you this tutorial on how I did the crisscross Fulani cornrows with beads. But then at the end, I decided to do her a makeup over transformation, which I will share in a part 2 video. So make sure you turn on that notification button so you wouldn't want to miss out on which colors I used and how I framed her face to look differently but gorgeous. Watch this stage keenly, for it's very important on how to achieve the crisscross cornrow. Look at what I'm doing. It's as easy as that. You just simply take one cornrow from the other side and you continue braiding it on the opposite direction. Thank you all so much for watching, and stay tuned for part 2 where I'm going to show you how I did her makeup.